Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
For what's happening in the Union Territory of Ladakh, 2 days after violence that broke out, that resulted in the death of at least 4 people and left scores of others injured. Now, activist Sonam Wangchuk has been placed under arrest. Times Now learns that he's been charged under the stringent NSA, which is the National Security Act, which provides for long preventive detention without any scope for bail. Now, Wangchuk was shifted out of Ladakh after his arrest and was later moved to Jodhpur jail in Rajasthan. It is also learned that the government decided to snap internet services in Leh following Wangchuk's arrest to spread any further misinformation. And this arrest now came after the central government cancelled the FCRL license of Wangchuk's NGO, which is Students' Education and Cultural Movement of Ladakh. Remember, Wangchuk had been on a hunger strike demanding statehood for Ladakh for more than a month, and he called off his fast on Wednesday after the protest took a violent turn. The centre has now blamed Wangchuk for clashes in Ladakh, accusing him of making provocative statements, and the government further said that certain politically motivated individuals were not happy with the progress that has been happening on the ongoing talks between the government and the Ladakh groups. Now, opposition leaders, however, have slammed the centre over Wangchuk's arrest, hurling the dictatorship drive and drawing parallels from mythology and history. Arvind Kejriwal now says that those who indulge in dictatorship and arrogance meet with a very bad end. Aam Aadmi Party and leaders, along with others who have been protesting against Wangchuk's arrest in Delhi, multiple leaders of the opposition have also voiced their opinion.
Sonam Wangchuk, environmentalist, and now arrested under the NSA. In fact, this is coming in just this evening, and on your screens you're seeing the Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, taking out a protest against the arrest of environmentalist Sonam Wangchuk. On your screens, in fact, senior leader Saurabh Bharadwaj, as well as ex-MLAs, in fact, Brijesh Pathak, as well as Sanjeev Jha, are also present, along with other workers as well. On your screens, you can see how the workers are holding up posters of, in fact, jailed Sonam Wangchuk with the words "Sara Desh Ladakh ke saath hai." The entire country stands with Sonam Wangchuk. You can see people carrying, in fact, candle lights in their hands as well.
और मोदी सरकार ने आज जो काम किया है वो एक हिटलर शाही का उदाहरण है, तानाशाही का उदाहरण है। मैं मानता हूं लोगों के सब्र का बांध टूट गया। लंबे समय तक वो लोग आंदोलन करते रहे और फिर वो आंदोलन एक प्रकार से हिंसा के रास्ते पर चला गया, लेकिन हिंसा के रास्ते को बढ़ावा नहीं दिया सोनम वांगचुक ने। सबसे पहले बाहर निकल के आए, हाथ जोड़कर लोगों से अपील की, शांति की अपील, और ऐसे व्यक्ति को आप देशद्रोही कह रहे हैं। मोदी जी, ये गलती मत कीजिए।
Now, other opposition leaders, meanwhile, have accused the centre of trying to stifle dissent and silence on those who raise inconvenient questions. Congress has claimed that the arrest is an attempt to distract from the government's failure to maintain law and order in Ladakh, while also warning what was witnessed in just was a spark and the Prime Minister should rather intervene before it turns into a fire.
गिरफ्तार किया गया, चलिए अफसोस की बात है, लेकिन जिस तरह मरकज की हुकूमत कल से उनके पीछे पड़ी हुई थी, शायद ये लग ही रहा था कि इस तरह का वो करेंगे। जनाब, उन लोगों के साथ कुछ वादे हुए जिस तरह हमारे साथ हुए। अब समझ में नहीं आता मरकज की हुकूमत की क्या मजबूरी है कि वादे करने के बाद वो उन वादों से मुकर जाते हैं।
जाहिर है सरकार चाहती है कि उनकी जमानत ना हो। आपने अगर नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एक्ट के अंदर बंद किया है तो जमानत मिलना आसान नहीं है, इसलिए वो उनको जेल में डाले रखेंगे। आप क्यों नहीं वहां पे स्टेटहुड दे देते? ये सारा मूवमेंट ही खत्म हो जाएगा। स्टेटहुड देंगे, आपने अभी तक स्टेटहुड क्यों नहीं दिया? लद्दाख में, जम्मू कश्मीर में आपकी क्या प्रॉब्लम है? आपने यूनियन टेरिटरी बनाया क्यों था? लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर के जरिए आप हुकूमत कब तक करते रहेंगे? क्या यही लोकतंत्र है?
BJP meanwhile has defended Wangchuk's arrest, citing video evidence that the activist provoked the crowd. Calling police action as necessary, the BJP asserted that no one will be allowed to incite violence.
कई सारे वीडियोज ऐसे अब आ चुके हैं जहां पर बड़ा स्पष्ट है कि सोनम वांगचुक ने भीड़ को उकसाया, भीड़ को मास्क पहनकर आने के लिए कहा, लोगों को मास्क पहनकर आने के लिए कहा, श्रीलंका और नेपाल की बात करी और बांग्लादेश की बात करी। स्पष्ट है कहीं ना कहीं उनके मन में था कि वह इस प्रकार का अहिंसा भड़काए। लद्दाख बड़ा शांति प्रिय एक राज्य है और स्ट्रेटेजिकली, जियोपॉलिटिकली स्ट्रेटेजिकली बहुत क्रूशियल है, इसलिए इस प्रकार की कोई भी हरकत वहां पर अलाउ नहीं की जा सकती और पुलिस ने सोनम वांगचुक के खिलाफ ठीक कार्रवाई करी है।
जहां तक बात है कि अंत होने की बात है, डिक्टेटरशिप की बात है, तो डिक्टेटरशिप जो है वो आम आदमी पार्टी करती है, चाहे पंजाब की बात है चाहे दिल्ली की बात है। जहां तक अभी लद्दाख की आप बात कर रहे हैं, लद्दाख में जो हुआ है वो कांग्रेस पार्टी की इंस्टिगेशन, प्रोवोकेशन और एक सबूत के साथ, उनकी पिक्चर्स आई हैं, उनके फोटोग्राफ्स आए हैं, उनके वीडियो आए हैं, उनके काउंसलर्स, चुने हुए नुमाइंदे जो हैं वो भड़का रहे हैं। आपने सोनम वांगचुक जो है उनकी स्टेटमेंट सुनी होगी, आपने उनकी वीडियो देखी होगी, साफ तौर पर भड़का रहे हैं। उसी तर्ज पर ये जो गैंग है, जो एक टूल किट तैयार हुई है विदेशी ताकतों के कहने पर, उसका कहीं ना कहीं एग्जीक्यूशन हो रहा है।
Well, Sahil Sohail is connected with us. Sahil, on ground situation that we are looking at, because there are multiple factors at play, which led to the arrest of Sonam Wangchuk. What happened there as far as NSA also now being slapped, that means prolonged period behind jail. But now he's brought to Rajasthan as far as this case that has now been leveled up, but precautionary measures on ground that are also being taken up by the authorities in Ladakh.
Well, yes, curfew and restrictions continue on day 4. Mobile internet was shut down after Sonam Wangchuk was arrested from his native village, and we are reporting from ground zero. You can see, in fact, CRPF, ITBP and Ladakh police personnel are deployed. Precautionary measures are there to ensure that there is no more, in fact, threat to peace and law and order in the region. But what we are witnessing on ground zero is that the number of vehicles playing on roads has considerably increased if we compare the situation from last 2 or 3 days. Sonam Wangchuk, climate activist, was supposed to be in Leh yesterday to be part of a press conference that was organized by the apex body, but then Ladakh police stopped him, arrested him outside, in fact, his native village, and he was shifted to Jodhpur jail in Rajasthan. Now, administration has officially confirmed that he was booked under NSA and, in fact, pointed out his activities that were seen as a threat to law and order in the region, particularly to the national security and national integrity. He had, in fact, the administration had mentioned that he had made references to Arab Spring, the situations in Nepal, Sri Lanka or Bangladesh. That's why he was booked under NSA. But positive aspect of all of this is that the Ladakh apex body has resumed talks with New Delhi. The central team was already in Leh. They had talks with the stakeholders, including apex body, and yesterday in the press conference, apex body has indicated and said that they will be traveling to New Delhi on 29th. They were supposed to be leaving, in fact, today or tomorrow, but then there were, in fact, civilian deaths, 4 exactly, in the violence that erupted on Wednesday. The funeral is scheduled for Sunday, and after it's in fact concluded, they will be going to New Delhi holding talks. The central government, the Ministry of Home Affairs and Ladakh apex body is holding regularly talks from 2023, and several, in fact, issues have been resolved, including 95% jobs having reserved for Ladakhis. This is the outcome of talks that were held between...
that they'll be travelling to Delhi to continue with their talks for statehood with the central government, but with the arrest of Sonam Wangchuk, we are looking at prohibitory orders that continue to remain in place. As Sahil Sohail is getting us this ground report, the normalcy now seems to be returning to Ladakh. Thank you very much, Sahil, for that live update that he is bringing for us on this story.